the board should do the right thing. They should listen to ideas from everyone, but they should do the right thing as fiduciaries for the university. The problem with the governance structure of Harvard is you have a dozen people that are it's a self-selecting board, right? Unlike every other corporation, at least public corporations in America, there's no mechanism to run a proxy contest and replace the board. And what happens when you have a board that can self-appoint itself, it becomes insular, and with a $53 billion endowment, they think, okay, we can just do whatever is on our mind, whatever politics we want to pursue, whatever ideologies we want to, we're indifferent. And the reality of Harvard is it's in a financial crisis right now. It may not yet know it, but it is. Right? I talked about this yesterday on CNBC. Their endowment is highly illiquid, poorly invested. It's not worth, their when they're going to sell a piece of their private equity funds, they'll get a meaningful discount to where they carry those assets. The result should be a mark to market of that endowment. It's called a $53 billion endowment. It's probably a $40 billion endowment, a true where they might be able to liquidate these assets. Harvard has $8 billion of debt, and they're funding their operating expenses by issuing debt every 6 months, it seems. That's not a recipe for survival. Now they've lost all future grants. Their tax exemptions at risk. It's all self-induced gross mismanagement.